Hey everyone, welcome back to Wisdom World. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's reshaping the agricultural landscape. Drones in agriculture, the future of farming and food. If you're passionate about technology and sustainability, you're in for a treat. In recent years, drones have transformed how we approach farming. These high-tech tools are not just for capturing stunning aerial footage, they are revolutionizing the way farmers manage their crops, monitor health, and maximize yields. But how did we get here? The use of drones in agriculture began to take off in the early 2010s, and since then, their capabilities have expanded tremendously. From precision agriculture to crop monitoring, let's explore how they're making farming smarter and more efficient. One of the most significant benefits of drones is their ability to provide real-time data. With advanced sensors and imaging technology, farmers can assess their field's health more accurately than ever. Drones enable precision agriculture by allowing farmers to apply fertilizers and pesticides only where needed, reducing waste and environmental impact. They can monitor crop growth stages, identify disease outbreaks, and detect water stress, leading to timely interventions that can save crops and increase yields. Drones can cover vast areas in a fraction of the time it would take a human, saving both labor costs and time. Section 3. Challenges and future potential. Despite their benefits, the adoption of drones in agriculture does come with challenges. Issues like regulatory hurdles, high initial costs, and the need for training can deter some farmers. But the future looks promising. As technology advances, we can expect drones to become more accessible and affordable. Imagine a future where every farm has a drone equipped with AI to analyze and predict crop performance. Section 4. Real-life success stories. Let's take a look at some real-life success stories. Meet Farmer's Name, who implemented drone technology on their farm. They've seen a 20% increase in yield since they started using drones. Conclusion. So, to sum it up, drones are revolutionizing agriculture by improving efficiency, reducing costs, and enhancing crop management. The future of farming and food production looks bright with this technology leading the way. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on drones in agriculture? Do you think they could help solve food security issues? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content on the latest trends in technology and farming.